Hello friend, today we will learn how to plot Taylor diagram using R software. So we have already opened the software R Studio, and now we will start coding. So I have already prepared a file in Microsoft Word. I will share it with you. You just need to copy these codes and just go and plot it into the R Studio. So here you can see different libraries such as Cron, Lattice, ggplot, Plotrix and Graphics. So first of all you need to install these libraries if you already don't have these. So I have installed all these libraries. You can see, if you cannot find this library here, you can go to install, and such as maybe you miss Plotrix, so you can type Plotrix here and go on install. You can click this one, so it is Plotrix. No, you can install it. I have already installed all these libraries, so that's not making any problem for me. So now you can see here are some codes, but you will be curious about the data, how to import data set into the R, because here you cannot see any data. Environment is empty already. So I will first add my data sets. So I will go on import. So if you have Excel file, you can import from Excel, or if you have text file, so you can import from text. If you do not have any installed text reader package, so it will install by default mode. The R Studio automatically installed it for you. So just click. So I have data in text format, so I will just click on import data set and import from text. So I will click on browse here, and I will go to my documents. I have prepared a folder in folder 4. Here are my all data sets, and it is my reference data. So I will start from the beginning, and I will upload these data set one by one. So first of all I will upload access. So it will be shown like this. So I will import it. So it is already imported. You will see here access 10,957 observations, one variable. Similarly we will go and upload all these data sets. Again I will show you from second point, downward here, and this one is my second access. So I will click on OK, and you can see the name. There's difference in names, so I am just writing access for my linear scaling and access 1 for my other type of downscaling, such as change factor downscaling. Similarly I will upload my third data point. So just click here and we'll go to downward here, and here is my third data point, named as access 2. So I will upload it here. So it is my third type of downscaling. It is distribution mapping downscaling. So this is all the data of maximum temperature. So similarly we need to upload all our data sets one by one. So it will take some time, so I am just pausing this video, and I will upload all the data set and will continue later. So I have almost uploaded all the data sets, just 2 remaining. So I will just upload those 2 here. here I have uploaded 16 data points. One is my reference data, as you can see, maximum reference file here, and all other 3 for my rock ESM, 3 for head GEM, similarly 3 for ESM LR, and 3 data points for CCSM4, and also other 3 for access. So after uploading all these datasets, I will go toward my codes. You can see also here are the names of different data points. So I will click just left, and I will move toward my codes. So I can see here are different codes already listed here, and also already I gave some red points and some blue points according to requirements, some darkening. So let me show you how will it work. So after selecting all these, you can just click on run here. You can see it is start working, and here is our tailor diagram. So here are the legends, and you can see on the y-axis it is standard deviation, and on the main it is tailor diagram. So you can modify it according to your requirement by just changing some codes here. So you can also change the location of this legend box by changing these points in the legend box. Similarly, you can change the colors of different boxes and shape of different boxes by choosing from these points. Okay, I hope this video will help you in sorting out your problems, and it is gas tailor diagram is much efficient in data representation. Thanks a lot for watching my video.